like that. The worst part, I can't see jack shit because my titties on the way. Be brutally honest. I can take it. What do you think? It is a TryOn haul after all.
Put your vest on before she turn you on.
Hey, babies. Welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time on here, my name is Eva, aka Goddess of Self Love, aka Nigerian Doll, and I'm glad you found me. Don't live without subscribing. It's okay, guys. Welcome to another clothing haul. Today's haul is a collective haul, as you can tell from the title of the video. So, without further ado, let's get right into the video. Let's see what we're working with today. Hold on. Still have a damn flu. So, we have something from Phoenix brand, and we also have like this cargo pants from an Instagram boutique. They are both Instagram boutiques, by the way. Okay, the reason why I always lay emphasis on the fact that they're Instagram boutiques is some of the girlies on here are not Nigerian, and I just have to let them know it's probably not a huge brand. It's probably not from Amazon. You get the point. You get the point. Yeah. So this is from Phoenix brand, and this is from an Instagram store called Zeta Apparel. I feel like out of all the bodies, it and that their niche revolves around fashion, I may be the only one that has not posted up a cute pic with cargo pants, and I don't like that. Okay, I don't like that. I don't like that. Okay, your girl is a fashion trendy girl, and even though I like to be unique, I have my own look. Okay, I still like to jump on fashion trends. So something unique about this Phoenix brand. Should I wear it right now? Mhm. Yeah, let me do that. If you've gotten to this part of the video and you've not subscribed, you know, Chomoku. Let me wear this real quick and let's see what we're working with. I think I'll try the cargos first. Yes. Babies, listen. I was trying this on. I realized that I can try this on top of the biker shorts, okay? Now I understand some big girlies wear biker shorts or pantyhose underneath your jeans, and this is supposed to reduce friction on your thighs. This is a pro tip for avoiding dark thighs, but I don't do it. Your girl likes to breathe. I just use the Gill serum, or I use the ordinary uh, glycolic acid on my thighs. Okay, but yeah, I want to see how this looks, and I realized I could try this on in front of you guys. Cause what's the point? It is a try-on haul after all. Damn, give me a rap name real quick. It is a try-on haul after
Are you
all.
playing? What type of plane is this?
I'm silly, I know. But yeah, how is this looking? We don't have a mirror, we don't have nothing. You are my eyes, you are my mirror. So tell me, what do you think? Tell me, be brutally honest. I can take it. Be brutally honest. I can take it. What do you think? God damn. These are the issues. Long nail issue. God. And worst part, I can't see jack shit because my titties on the way. No. This is a whole struggle. But you know what? Never give up. Okay then. Okay then. Okay then. Oh God. What is that? So this, what? Is that a mosquito? Mosquito. Anywho, what do we think about the fit? Yeah. 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 I personally love the comfort, the fabric. This is a stretchy fabric. This is a size 14. I think this probably runs a bit big because it is quite stretchy. And I love the pockets. This is a versatile piece. It is a staple. You already know how I feel about dressing up and down fits. So this is a comfortable 9 out of 10 actually. Yeah. I got it from an Instagram store called Zida Apparel. They ship in outfits from Turkey. And I've been buying stuff for Zida for a long time. I'm an OG Zida girl, so I'm not even saying this for any reason, but she buys quality stuff. Okay. I reckon I could wear like the metallic stilettos, my diesel one DR bag, and a cute top with this. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. I love it. I need to buy a pink one here. Let's check out the next fit from Phoenix brand. Okay. Ladies, this is I have two fits to show you guys, like I said from the beginning of the haul. I need to flit my freaking apartment. Um, this is a cargo skirt, okay? It is a cargo skirt and it is from Phoenix brand. What surprised me about this brand is the fact that you know how brands put up like images from, you know, popular like website clothing websites, and I was like, ugh, I hope this doesn't turn out to be like one of the issues of what I ordered versus what I got. So, babies, I was like, let me just give this a try, okay? And when this came, I was impressed. Impressed is an understatement because, child, you need to see the fabric of this firsthand. I ordered this in mint green, like turquoise green, and maybe the fabric, I just was doing a test run because I had never seen the store before. Maybe I don't admire the fabric tire. I was like, what in the perfection is going on here? Hmm? Okay, hold on. Although I did order like an upsize, so it's quite big. So now I know the measurement to use. I ordered a size 16 and I shouldn't have, knowing damn well that I'm a size 14. The reason why I'm a size 16 are because of the babies from up here. From down here, baby, we're still small. We're still like moderate, okay? But yeah, I can't wait to wear this. I need to alter it a little bit. But yeah, I think this will be the first time I rate something a 9.5 out of 10 because, baby, the fabric is worth it. It is stretchy. It looks exactly as it looks in the picture. Okay, and those were in their live pictures. But yeah, Phoenix brand, you're doing your damn thing. So this is the second cargo of the haul. What do you guys think? It's big, I know. Don't laugh. When we do a little bit of altering, and I didn't want it to be fitted, if I'm being completely honest. I hope we can alter this. If we cannot, then I'll probably have to give it away after taking pictures. Probably have to gift it to someone on here Comment what you
Find no
think.
girl over no man, me no idiot. If me a take your man, me a keep that. You need to give it up, boy. No girl can't see me and cause problems. Them a man clown.
Babies. So this is the other item that I purchased from the Phoenix brand, and it is a crop top. Like I said, I am very, very, very impressed with the fabric, the quality that I got from this brand. And yeah, I have worn this, by the way, in case you can see like foundation stains. But yeah, just for a casual night out. I'll probably attach the video here. But yeah, what do we think? This is my best crop top, and I'm getting it in every color. By the way, like I said, this video is not sponsored, okay? Okay. Yeah, so we've come to the end of the video. Yeah, I'll rate this a comfortable 9.5 out of 10. This is excellent. I just love the quality. I don't know who the owner is or who their supplier is, but they're doing their damn thing. So yeah, I'll probably get this in black and white. So I will see you on my next video.